So I am having issues with my shower head not turning off. Got these two shower valves. No matter how tight you turn them, it doesn't turn off. It's actually the hot water. So I turned off the main already. You gotta find the main in your house, which turns off all the water. Then there's the main that turns off all the water in my house. You just close that. Then I left the I just let the water purge from the entire house so I could work on it, and hopefully when I open it no water comes out. This shower on and off valve has a cap. You just take off that cap. Probably get a finer screwdriver. Should pop off just like that. And this particular one has a Phillips screw head. Just unscrew that. So we have this here. We turn this and it'll expose that sleeve screw. It should just be a flat head. You unscrew it, slide it off, grab your wrench, loosen this. Mine is already loose, I loosened it, twist it off. And there is the culprit right there. You can go to Home Depot, change that gasket. You just get your flat head, unscrew it from there. Then there's also a set washer in there. See if I could show you it. So there is the seat. Now you can replace this seat if it's a bad seat. Should be smooth. If it's not smooth, you'll want to change it out. Every stem is going to be different. If you unscrew the stem from the sleeve, you just unscrew this part. This whole stem comes out. Every stem is going to be different, so if you pull it all out, take it with you to Home Depot. You could either change the entire stem, just change the washer. Mine's, I figure I'll probably clean up and change that washer right there. There's another washer in here, rubber washer. It's a rubber seal and it actually is still good, but maybe I could even change that while I'm here. But yeah, time to go Home Depot, get it and change it. Okay, so I got my seats for my shower valve. I put a couple layers of Teflon on that, so I will install that now. I got my tool, got my seat in there, and there's my hole. I'll screw that in. Got that all nice and tight. Not super tight, just enough. So now I got the O-ring, which sits at the top of my valve sleeve here. I got the stem, and I got waterproof grease. So I already put my O-ring on the top of my valve sleeve. I greased it up so when I put the stem in, it'll go nice and smooth. I'll also put grease around the shaft and grease at this end, so when it hits that valve seat at the end where it shuts the water on and off, it'll just go smooth. But, that's the new washer. And got that washer right here. That's a blue one. The old black one was all torn up. Got these parts at Lowe's. I'm sure you could find them at Home Depot. But yeah, I'll grease this up, put it in there. Put my okay, so here's my sleeve. I got lock pliers to crank down my valve washer sleeve, valve washer. I'm gonna put grease around here so it just goes in smooth when I put it into the shower sleeve, this guy here. So grease that up, grease your washer here just a little bit. This is ready to go. Slide this in. Slide in the bottom here. I'll come out through the top. My O-ring will kind of slip out. And see the O-ring. Just slide this up. Screw it in. There's your washer. Your washer should just tuck in. It's in there nicely, and then here's your top lock nut. Slide it in there. Crank it up. Crescent wrench. You don't have to do it too tight. It should be ready. Open, close. Now we'll put it in the shower. So I got my valve seat in there. I got my entire stem assembly. New washers, greased up, Teflon taped. Now feed it in there. It's just a reverse. Tighten it up and put everything back together. Should be good.